Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Eric here from eComWave.io, and in today's video, I want to share with you some popular strategies you can use to find winning products using eComWave's powerful research tools. So if you go to the main page here, which is the dashboard, you'll see on the left-hand side, there are 3 different tabs, and in a different video, I'll go through each of these, but in today's video, we're just going to be dealing with the Products tab, and specifically the Popular Products tab. So go ahead and click on this here. And you'll see this page, and what this is right here is a table basically showing every product in our database ranked by the most number of sales. So number 1 here is the XP Trike Support C Bundle by LetreeSpikes.com, I think, which has done roughly $121,000 in sales today, which is massive. And this just gives you a global look at how products are doing across the board, across all these different stores. But for the average e-commerce store owner, you're not going to be competing with Hexcloud.com or Modloft.com, all these popular brands, which is what you're seeing here. These are literally the most sold products on Shopify. So what I like to do is head on over to the filter tab right here, click that open, and we want to basically narrow this down by the products that are kind of within a reasonable range that we can compete with. So we're looking at products that are maybe doing a minimum of like a couple hundred, maybe $300 a day, all the way up to maybe $1,500 a day. And of course, if a specific product is doing $1,500 a day in revenue, that's fantastic. But that is something we can compete with, and something I like to look for personally. And I like to keep this top products switch turned on. It's on by default, and that basically just prevents multiple products from the same store showing up. So if one store is completely dominating and you see just 20 products in the exact same store, it can get a little overwhelming, and it's kind of nice to see a variety of products from different stores, so I like to keep this switched on. But this is a good filter set to start with. Click Save, and we can see the new product set loaded up here. And we can just go through here and scroll and just see a bunch of really cool products that are doing, within $1,000 a day range, which is, fantastic. So let's just kind of look through here and just see if anything catches our eye. We can click on any of these just to see, more details about it, but I just kind of want to scroll through here. So let's see here. Let's just do this top one right here, the original daily cushion. We can click on it and open up the sales graph. So it looks like it has a pretty steady number of sales here, which is what we're looking for. It's done roughly $8,000 in sales in the past week. And once we found a product like this that we're interested in, we can click on Analyze Store to get more information. And this is an overview of the entire store. So we can see they're only selling this one product, otherwise there would be more listed. And that means it's a one product store, which is kind of referenced by its name, dailycushion.com. They're selling a cushion. So everything looks really good here. We see a steady number of sales. And one thing I like to do immediately is when I find a product like this that looks interesting, I want to see how they're driving traffic to the product. So typically eComWave will show you their socials, the TikTok, Instagram, Facebook links right under here under the name. This one doesn't seem to have any shown up. Either they're not displayed on the homepage of the store, so we can't track it, or it just hasn't shown up yet. But either way, we have this View Ad Library button here, so we can open this up and see if they're running any Facebook ads. And we can see they have 4 ads running, which is a great sign, so they're driving traffic through Facebook. They started running this ad on July 10th, which is a little less than a month ago. So it seems very likely that they're getting a lot of their sales from Facebook ads. We have literally an exact example and template for how we could sell this product ourselves if we wanted to. So we have, this marketing copy. They have quotes from customers. They have discount codes. So a lot of really good information here to give us ideas. And we can see the video they're using to sell it. And I won't get into all that right now, but that's a good sign. And the next thing I like to do is hover over the product and click this button right here. And this will open Google Lens. And this is basically a reverse image search tool, which shows you where this image is found elsewhere on the internet. So at the very first result, we can see the main store is selling it here, but we can also see that the same product is found on AliExpress for $7.30, $20.33. It's on Amazon, it's on eBay. So we can see all the competitors, all the suppliers. You got Alibaba in case you want bulk suppliers. So that's great if you want to scale up when we want faster shipping. You can outsource this to some 3PL warehouse. But we have a supplier, multiple suppliers, and that tells me they are very likely drop shipping this if there's that many links on AliExpress. So that's a great sign. They're drop shipping this. They're doing, insane sales numbers. And I would say right here is a winning product. And that took, less than 10 minutes to find. And that was with me talking a bunch and, kind of just ranting. So I would just spend, a couple hours just going through that list, finding these products, narrowing out ones that maybe, you can't find an easy supplier for, or you can't figure out how they're driving traffic. I like easy wins where we can see exactly how they're driving traffic. We have marketing copy, we have suppliers instantly, and I just make a list of all these potential products, test them out, and just, narrow out the ones that are, basically the easiest winners for you. So I might find 5 products that work, that look good on EconWave, test them out through Facebook ads, TikTok ads, whatever, and then just keep the one that has the best results, and then rinse and repeat. And that's all there really is to it. And what's great about this with EconWave is you're actually seeing products that are getting sales right now, so you don't have to worry about, hey, is this product old? Is it saturated? Is it going to get sales? Because you can see right in front of you that, yes, it is getting sales. This store is doing it. Here's how. So anyways, that was just a quick dive into one method. There's a lot of other ways, a lot of other tools on EconWave you can use to find many products, but this is just one. Hopefully it's helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.